Good afternoon. My name is Deloria Dunlap, and I want to thank you for your time. Briefly, I want to just say that I'm coming forward to say that I support Senator Jan Jones's proposal to amend the Child Nutrition Reauthorization Act, and that this act helps to show guidelines to give parameters for those school-age children in the hopes of decreasing their BMIs and obesity. We in the United States have a health crisis of epidemic proportion, and I think that through this proposal brought forth through Senator Jones and the act, it will help to curtail some of these situations that are happening in these United States. And basically, here I have a few exhibits to show the increase that will happen, that is happening from 1990 up until 2020, and it shows you the intervals of the crisis and how it's going up. Everything is going up and it's not going down, and that's the BMIs for children. And this next exhibit shows how the obesity rate for boys and girls are increasing as well, more so in the Hispanic district for boys and the African American district for girls. So with this proposal, I think that it would help to curtail some of the interesting significance of what's happening. Also, I would like to say that in a survey from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, information pertained on how to utilize BMI and evidence to enhance the policy were given. And it showed that through this BMI Z-score, excess weight gain was clinically important to measure. These scores can go down with alternatives like the 5 to 0 Let's Go program. 5 meaning 5 fruits and vegetables daily, where 0 means no sugar in the diet. So when we talk about nutrition, we talk about things like strawberries to add to our children's diet, and we talk about less cookies and cakes because that just increases the body mass index. In conclusion, the implementation for these strategies should be involved with the community and families and physicians. Doing this will help curtail this problem. Thank you for your time.